In today's digital landscape, you need both the power of custom solutions and the speed to deliver them. Building unique user experiences is critical, but it's often a deep engineering journey requiring specialized skills and time. But what if you could bypass that complexity for common UX needs? What if you could add powerful, high-quality UI functionality to your provider environments instantly? Introducing UX Boosters on Launchpad. We've created a curated catalog of pre-built, vetted, and approved components that you can publish with a single click. Browse the catalog, find what you need, and publish it directly to your provider environment. No setup, no customization, and zero coding required. This means instant enablement of new UX capabilities, more flexibility for providers, and strong governance, since every booster component is pre-approved. It's the perfect complement to DXCB, the existing Constellation custom component building tool. Stop waiting. Start building better experiences faster. Supercharge your UX effortlessly. Explore the UX Boosters catalog today at launchpad.io/UX-boosters.